Chicago, Illinois, and we're excited to see Sue the dinosaur and check out the children's playground. I'm uncovering a bone.
Was that the tooth? Yeah. This is a replica of the tooth that's in the Tyrannosaurus Rex, Sue's mouth. It would go like this in Sue's mouth. Good job. You're a paleontologist. The coolest thing about this museum so far has just been the building itself. It is awesome to roam around it. The kids and I are now on a hunt to try to find Sue because she's missing. But where's Sue? She's gone. I think she went over here.
We think we know where Sue is. She's with the rest of the dinosaurs. Sorry, I have a case of the hiccups. Not good.
Exactly what you did. See the plaster cast that they took? And then inside there is the soil, just like you were digging in, and they're looking for bones.
I read that they spent 3,500 hours doing this job just on her skull. It's like just on the head. Yeah.
It's taken them a long time.
Yeah.
They were done then.
They had to do a lot of work to get her ready. And what we're about to go see in here is the actual bones. They made casts of her, and they've sent those casts to other museums around the world. But here, at this museum, is the original one that was found up in, do you remember what state it was found in?
South Dakota. Faith, South Dakota.
That's right.
Daddy, let's have a breath contest.
Okay, all right. So my trick to get rid of hiccups is we both hold our breath and we try to win the contest. Ready? Marks, get set, go.
Hey! Hey!
Were you breathing out of your nose?
No.
Are you sure?
I have a feeling she's in that room. Like, a big feeling. I don't see any two guys with back.
Is it Sue?
What does it say?
Take a peek at Sue's new home.
So Sue was brought from downstairs, took it apart, and up here.
That's right. They're gonna put her together and give her a new home.
Oh.
So Eleanor, they found Sue just 28 years ago. So they've just found her. And a lady named Sue is who found her. That's why she's named Sue. $8.4 million is what they paid for Sue. They built this very special holder for Sue. So do you see the metal that's inside of the skeleton right there? Do you see how there's a metal structure that holds her all together?
Yeah.
So that's what the museum built to hold her, and it took them years and years to get her ready. And the way they made it, every single bone can be taken off to be researched, because those are the real bones. That's the actual bones of Sue, who lived all those years ago.
Hope you enjoy this video. Bye. You a postcard because you love dinosaurs. I miss you.